ChatGPT has been our largest endeavor ever, and so scaling on two fronts. Scaling was both scaling the amount of compute and the amount of resources we were putting toward a single product beyond anything we've even approached before. But the other side of it was also scaling the team. ChatGPT started with really just a handful of engineers that were running a little research preview and had just spun off of our original API team. And eventually, with the number of features that were growing that we wanted to provide to our users, but also just the SLAs that we wanted, the expectations that we wanted our users to have about uptime of our products, the reliability, the availability of our products. We just had to grow the team as well to support all of that. And so that came with figuring out a better organization for a larger team. It also meant integrating different work styles, bringing people in from different backgrounds. But I think altogether, that allowed us to build a stronger, more robust team and build a better product at the end of the day. I think the most different thing about working in the AI space is just how novel and often unexpected working in AI projects is. I think IT, classic IT, we've been doing it for long enough that we sort of have a rhythm and there's a pattern and we feel there's always something new and a direction we're heading in, but it's kind of a familiar rhythm at this point. And the difference with it is with AI projects is that we never really know what's around the corner. And so we have to be really nimble on our feet. One day we'll discover something new and just completely pick a new direction based off of that. And maybe one day we'll settle into a rhythm, but I'm not really sure when that'll be. So we're just really trying to stay agile. I imagine that large language models will become useful for a larger and larger variety of topics. Right now we are really talking about AI assistants in kind of desk job-like context. So we see a lot of assistants in writing emails, for example. I'm a software engineer. I use ChatGPT a lot to help me write code. But I imagine that right now, it is easy to view ChatGPT and LLM deployments like that as a very single-pronged tool. I'm excited in the next year to see it expand into these multi-use, more contextually integrated use cases.